Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm JC, and welcome to another episode of Omega Outdoors. Unfortunately, today I didn't have time to take the kayak out. I've been dying to get under the bridges and fish for some redfish and some trout. I just didn't have the time to today. So today, we're going to a spot that's kind of close by the house. We're gonna hit the river and try to target some catfish. The spot we're going to today is a pretty popular spot, and it's, like I said, it's not far from the house, but I'm hoping that because it's a Monday afternoon and everyone should be technically at work, that it won't be too busy and there won't be a lot of people there. Catfish out of the river are pretty easy to target, especially in the brackish water like the river we're going to. So hopefully we can make it down there and catch a few. All right, y'all, let's see what's up. All right, so here's the plan. This is all brackish water, so I'm gonna try, shrimp works pretty well here. So these are already kind of frozen, but they seem to work, so I just peel off some of the skin right here. I got a bottom rig I'm gonna be using. We can toss these bad boys out there and see what we can find. Juvenile redfish do come up this way sometimes. It's not spawning season yet, so we might not see too many of them, but there is a possibility to catch other fish here because, like I said, it is brackish water and shrimp. So we'll see what we can find here. Let's cast this bad boy out. I'm hoping the boat traffic doesn't hinder me any. Let that sit there for a second while I get my other rig ready. All right, so I'm gonna trade up weights here because I have this little 1/2 ounce weight and the current seems to be ripping a lot today, so I'm gonna have to trade up and put on an actual ounce. So I'll take this 1/2 ounce off. They're having fun over there. All right, so while the shrimp is sitting out there, see if I can't catch any live bait. I got a little 4-foot cast in here. I'm gonna see if I can't catch any small bait fish along the shoreline right here while the shrimp is sitting out. 4-foot casting is pretty easy to throw, so hopefully it's not too rocky on the bottom right there. See any rocks, at least not like a foot away. Kind of just blind casting because I don't actually see anything, so I'm just trying to pick the areas that are flat with nothing on the bottom to see if I can't just get lucky. Oh snap! What is that? Did I catch a gar in my cast net? Looks like a long-nosed gar. You see that? I've never caught one of those before. Hold on a minute. All right, so I'm gonna let this guy go. I ain't never actually seen one of these before. It looks like a gar. I'm not sure what it is. I just don't need it to bite me, so it looks pretty pissed off. I'm gonna go ahead and let it go. Peace out, dude. All right, so I'm gonna try throwing in the same place again, just because I actually got something in that place, but I'm not really hopeful as far as bait goes. But we'll give it another shot and see if we can't find something hanging out there. That was kind of just wild. Close enough. I think I got something. Oh. What is that? Is that a redfish? Oh snap. No, it's a carp. All right, carp it is. That's bait. What up, bro? Just eye hustling my bait right now is what he's doing. Uh-oh. Hey, I don't want no smoke. I don't want no smoke, little duck. This is pretty. How about a shrimp? Let's toss this joker out here real quick. Straight over there, how about that? Perfect. Damn. A catch something else? It's just a bunch of grass. Look, a bass. Oh man. So I was trying to fish with my rod today, but it looks like I'm catching more stuff on my daggone cast net than I am anywhere else. Look at this little dude. Tiny little guy. It's like a bass, but smaller. All right, y'all, I think that's gonna be it for me today. I unfortunately didn't catch anything on the rod today too, but it was fun to catch stuff on the cast net. It was something I've been trying to learn how to do better, throw better, so it was cool to actually catch something in the cast net. So I think I caught a long-nosed gar. If you know what that is, go ahead and comment down below and tell me what it is, because I honestly have no idea what kind of fish that was. But it was fun to catch stuff in the cast net. I got a 4-foot, a 7-foot, and a 10-foot. I'm trying to learn how to throw better, so it was just fun to get out here and practice and get a little bait. So other than that, y'all take it easy. Go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't done so yet. We'll catch you on the next one. All right, y'all. Peace.